Are you looking for an innovative learning platform that can take your online training to the next level? Look no further than LMS 365, a Danish company whose unique integration between the Microsoft Teams video conferencing platform and the learning branch of Microsoft-owned LinkedIn provides over 18,000 courses and a hybrid learning model that is both user-friendly and efficient. LMS 365 recently announced a $20 million investment and aims to become one of the leading systems in online education. This cloud-based software was designed for ease of use, allowing learners to create digital learning experiences with a drag-and-drop feature from popular applications like Word and PowerPoint. This makes it even easier to transition from existing learning material to the platform. LMS 365 is the only learning platform built within Microsoft 365 and Teams, allowing users to have everything they need in one uniform experience without having to jump from one software to another, which can be very aggravating. For many students, online learning is the only way to go, especially with the current pandemic, making LMS 365 an essential tool for educational and training establishments. The CEO of LMS 365, Rasmus Holst, thinks that this capital injection will be a major change in the type of business they do, commenting on how Freddie Bang's choice to build on Teams in 2016 has sparked a phenomenal journey of growth and that they're ready to seize the next chapter. Managing your class from one software is going to make the learning experience so much smoother for everyone involved, and for educators, it's one less software to keep track of. Want to shop around? Take a look at the best online learning platforms and get the top-of-the-line service for an efficient learning experience.